Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Next, we will focus on the properties of cubic curves defined by the equation y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Now, the general form of a cubic curve is y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, and d are coefficients and constants that determine the shape and the position of the curve. Let's take a look at the coefficient a and its influence. The sign of the coefficient a affects the direction of the curve's opening. If a is positive, the curve opens upwards, resembling a U shape, but with one end typically tilted more than the other. If a is less than 0, if a is negative, the curve opens downwards, resembling an upside down U. Moving on to stationary points. These are points where the derivative equals 0. At these points, the curve stops increasing or decreasing and can either be a local maximum or a minimum. It's also known as turning points. What about points of inflection? Points of inflection occur where the second derivative equals 0. These points are where the curve changes its curvature, either from concave up to concave down or vice versa. So if the second derivative is more than 0 at a stationary point, in other words, positive at a stationary point, then the curve is concave up and it is typically a local minimum. If the second derivative is negative less than 0 at a stationary point, then the curve is concave down and it is typically a local maximum. This overview of cubic curves gives you essential insights into how the coefficients and derivatives affect the graph shape and key points. Next, we will explore the concept of concavity for cubic curves. Concavity refers to the direction in which the curve opens. It is concave up if the curve opens upwards, like a cup, and concave down if the curve opens downwards, like a cap. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.